welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're a long time viewer of mine and you notice that your subscribe button is red, that means you have not yet subscribed to my channel. So I'll just give you a minute or a couple seconds to go and do so. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your screen. So let me just wait a minute. So by now you should have hit that subscribe button. If you're a long time subscriber of mine, welcome once again and thank you for being here. I love you. I appreciate the support. Continue watching, continue commenting, liking and also sharing my videos. So I'm going to show you how I do my oxtail. I've been wanting to show you this for the longest time. Everybody cook different. This is just my way. It is not set in stone. I'm just showing you how I do my oxtail and it is always perfect. Perfect. Alright, perfect with you, Veronica. So guys, just pay attention. So my oxtail has been washed in white vinegar and water. So I'm going to start off by adding my all-purpose seasoning. I know this is in a Goya bottle, but it is not the Goya all-purpose seasoning. But it is still all-purpose seasoning, so I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with my garlic powder. Somehow I like garlic all of a sudden, so I went in with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm going to go in now with some, this name Season to the Bone. I got it at my local season shop. So I'm just going to go in with a teaspoon and a half of my Season to the Bone. I'm going to be using my jerk season now, and this is the powder jerk seasoning. 2 teaspoons of that. My onion powder, because I will be putting the onion on my meat tomorrow, because this will be marinating for like probably 12 hours or more. So I'm not going to put the onion on it now. So I just add some of my homemade onion powder, and that was a teaspoon and a half. I'm going to go in now with my homemade jerk seasoning. And this is on the last lap, so I'm just going to use everything that is in the bottle, because this needs to be replenished. So that is about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to go in with my browning. And as I always guys about the browning, you don't want to use a lot. It's better if you use small amount, and if you want additional browning, you can always go and put some more on it. It's better to be safe than sorry, because browning make your meat bitter if you use a lot. And my carrots, sweet pepper, garlic, green onion and some thyme. And let me get my salt. So a teaspoon and a half is good, because remember that I already put the all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning and all of those stuff already has salt in it. So as I said, better to be safe than sorry. So tomorrow I'm going to put my onion. I'm also going to put my Scotch Bonnet pepper tomorrow on my meat, because as I said, this will be marinating for a long time and I don't want it to be too salty or too peppery. So not salty, too peppery. So I'm just going to go in right now. I'm just going to wash my hand real fast and then come back and just mix up all of this. still with clean hands. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. So with clean hands, we're just going to rub this in. And this is already smelling so good. I don't know why this carrot wants to escape. And guys, this is 5 pounds of oxtail. Normally I just put my seasoning on it, and I don't do measurement. Kind of with Jamaica, we just cook and just sprinkle as we go along. But for persons who might want to know the exact measurement, that's why I mention the exact measurement, and it will also be down below in the description box. So this is how my oxtail is looking right now. It needs a little bit more browning, but I'm going to leave that part for tomorrow. So guys, as I said, this will be marinating for about 12 hours or probably 10 hours. So you guys want to see this. You guys want to see the finished product of this. This is going to be the bomb. But guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, welcome back. So it has been a little over 11 hours, and as you can see, my oxtail is looking oh so lovely. So I added my onions and my additional browning to the meat, and it is perfect. And I'm just going to go now and add it to my pot, so you guys will see this, as I said, from scratch, so you see everything. And I'm just going to go ahead and add my pieces of oxtail. And I will be pressuring my oxtail because this is a long time to cook, and I want my meat falling off my bone, and I also want my bone to be tender. So as you can see, I'll just be putting in my oxtail pieces at a time because I want them to get a brown color before cooking it down, before pressuring it. So, this is how I cook most of my meat. I pork and stuff. This is how I do it, so watch and see. So I just turned my oxtail on the other side. You don't need to brown it for long. All you need is just like couple seconds to a minute on each side. Flip, take it out, put in the rest, and repeat the process until all the oxtail has been browned to the way you want it. And then you add it to the pressure cooker, add your water and stuff, or if you're using anything that you use cooking it, you can use like a beef broth or something. So I will be using water. So I'll show you the next process in this. So all my oxtail has finished browning, or finished brown. I know there is a professional cook chef word for that, but I'm not professional, so we in Jamaica we say brown. So finished brown the oxtail, and I've added my water to my pressure cooker, and I'm going to cover this and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes to pressure. Then I check on it to see if it needs additional water, cover and allow to finish cooking. Then you'll see the next step in my oxtail cooking, so stay tuned. So guys, just took my pressure cooker off the stove for a minute to check on it, and as you can see, it still has quite a bit of way to go. The bones they're still really hard and the meat is still kind of hard. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water to the pressure cooker, cover it and put it back on the stove to do its thing. But guys, look at this, it's already looking so beautiful, right? So my oxtail has been cooking for about an hour and a half, and I'm just going to go ahead now and put my broad bean in it. So you see, this oxtail is soft. The bone is tender because I like to eat my oxtail thoroughly, like I mean my meat, bone, everything. Look at this mouth-watering goodness. Still hot. I'm going to have this with some rice and peas, so stay tuned for the plating. So it is time for me to go and have my dinner now. So guys, let your mouth water for a bit. Fall off the bone oxtail, fried wings, tomato for my veggie, succulent, nice. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until then, love is what good. Look at that one last time.